everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 55 divided by 5 bracket 5 plus 6. So let's start with today's video solution. What people do 5 plus 6 as 11 and 11 times 5 as 55 and then 55 divided by 55 as 1, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. Because an expression like this where multiple operations are given like division, then number, then bracket, and in bracket there is an addition, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you call. As per this rule, first we have to solve the brackets, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So it's 55 divided by 5. First bracket is 5 plus 6 times 11, because if there is no symbol between a bracket and a number, then you have to put multiplication sign. So now we know that division and multiplication both have same priority, but people forget that we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 55 divided by 5, that is 11 times 11, which is equals to 121. So what is the correct answer? 121. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.